Can I ask you something? When was the last time you actually sat with yourself? Not scrolling, not working, not performing for anyone. Just you. Yeah, I thought so. We spend so much of our lives becoming what everyone else needs us to be. The good student, the reliable employee, the strong one in the family, the one who's got it together. And somewhere in all that becoming, we lose track of who we actually are. It's strange, isn't it? We know the name of every character in a show we binge-watched. We know our friend's coffee order. We know what everyone else is doing with their life. But ask someone, what do you actually want? And there's this silence. That silence isn't empty, though. That silence is where you are. Buried under expectations, comparisons, other people's opinions of who you should be. Finding yourself isn't some grand cinematic moment. It's not a mountaintop. It's not a single trip that fixes everything. I wish it was that simple. It's smaller than that, quieter than that. It's in the moments you stop and ask, wait, do I actually enjoy this, or am I just used to it? It's uncomfortable, honestly, because finding yourself means unlearning a lot of things first. It means admitting that some of the dreams you're chasing aren't even yours. They were handed to you. By family, by society, by fear. And that's okay. That's not a failure. That's just being human. We all start out wearing borrowed clothes before we find our own. So where do you even begin? You begin by getting honest, brutally, quietly honest with yourself, not with anyone else. Just you, in a room, asking real questions. What actually makes me feel alive? What do I do when no one's watching? When there's nothing to prove? What did I love before the world told me it wasn't practical? Yeah, that one hits different, doesn't it? See, we treat finding yourself like it's about discovering something brand new. But most of the time, it's about remembering, going back, digging under the layers you built to survive, to fit in, to be accepted. Underneath all of that, you're still there. You never actually left. You just got quiet. And here's the thing, nobody tells you. This isn't a one-time thing. You don't find yourself once and then you're done forever. You keep finding yourself again and again. Every time you grow, every time life breaks something in you and rebuilds it differently. That's not exhausting. That's not something to fear. That's actually beautiful. It means you're allowed to change. You're allowed to outgrow the person you were last year. You're allowed to let go of dreams that don't feel true anymore without guilt. So if you're in that place right now, lost, a little tired, not sure who you even are anymore under all the roles you play, I need you to hear this. You're not broken, you're not behind, you're not failing. You're just in the process. And the process is the point. Start small. Spend 10 minutes today in silence. No phone, no noise. Just you and your thoughts. Uncomfortable at first, I know, but sit with it. Ask yourself one honest question. Just one. And actually wait for the answer. Because somewhere in that silence, you're still there, waiting to be met again. So go on. Go find yourself. Not the version everyone else wants. The real one.